Ever wondered what happens when you uninstall TikTok? In this video, we'll dive into all the surprising changes, from what happens to your account and followers to the hidden effects on your notifications and drafts. When you uninstall TikTok from your phone, then your account, profile, followers, and following list will not be affected. Once you reinstall TikTok, you'll have access to all of these things again. Your TikTok videos, likes, comments, and other content will still be accessible to other people even after you uninstall the app. This means that any content you've shared publicly remains visible to other users, and they can continue to view, like, and comment on your videos. You don't need to worry about losing your content, as it will remain on TikTok's servers and accessible to others just as it was before. Any TikTok drafts you had saved within the app will be permanently lost if you uninstall TikTok. Since drafts are stored locally on your device rather than on TikTok's servers, they do not get backed up and cannot be restored once the app is removed. Any videos that were downloaded or cached within the TikTok app will be deleted from your device if you uninstall the app. Cached videos, which are temporary files stored on your device to help videos load faster or to allow offline viewing, are removed along with the app's data during the uninstallation process. Once you uninstall the TikTok app from your device, you will no longer receive any notifications related to your account activity. This means you won't be alerted to new likes, comments, messages, or any updates from TikTok while the app is uninstalled. When you reinstall TikTok back and log in back to your account, then your profile, followers, posted videos, and settings will still be there. You will need to re-download any videos you want to watch offline. Also, you will start getting notifications. If you're concerned about privacy and data collection, you might consider deleting your TikTok account altogether, rather than just uninstalling the app. Hope you like this. Please like, share, and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.